Hi, hello dear students. Welcome to this class. In the before class, we have discussed about what? That is the average speed and average velocity and the meaning of velocity and also average velocity. So now in this class we have discussed about the average speed. Before going to that, I am going to tell about what is the meaning about uniform velocity and non-uniform velocity. In the last we discussed about some velocity part. Okay. And also discuss about the average velocity. So after that, that is some types of velocities, that is uniform velocities and non-uniform velocity. We have to describe these two parts. So now we will discuss about one by one. So first is uniform velocity. So what it indicates? Uniform means what? In the all process, in the moving process, when you travel in a vehicle, you will cover a equal displacement in a equal interval of time. Just I consider an example. When you travel in a vehicle or in your bike, you travel a equal displacement in that instant time, equal interval of time. So that is nothing but a uniform velocity. So dear students, uniform velocity is called uniform velocity of a body is said to be when a body it covers and it covers equal displacement, not equal distance. Here that is a velocity. Equal displacement in equal interval of time. Is called a uniform velocity. Students, this is a uniform velocity of a body is said to be done when a equal displacement covers in equal interval of time. ಒಂದು ಬಾಡಿ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಲಿ ಹೊಂಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ವೇಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಂಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಪರ್ ಅನದರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಆರ್ also called as a variable velocity. Students, a non-uniform velocity in our surrounding is affected. ಈ process ನಿಜ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ means a change in a direction with a time. Clear? Change in a direction. When you moving in a vehicle, suddenly you change the direction at particular time. That is, we call it as a non-uniform velocity. So now we have to define a non-uniform velocity is a body is said to be non-uniform velocity when it does not cover equal distances. If it is does not cover ಇದು equal distance ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇದು unequal distance ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. If it does not cover equal distance in a equal interval of time is called as a non-uniform velocity. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಾಹನ ಚಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಪರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಗೆ 10 ಮೀಟರ್ ನ ಚಲಿಸ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಣ. But another 1 second ಅದು 5 meter ಚಲಿಸಿತು. But and the next 1 second it covers 15 meter. and another 1 second it covers a 25 displacement. This type of a, we call it as a non-uniform velocity, means if a body does not cover equal distance, equal displacement does not cover equal displacement in equal interval of time, or and also we call it as in another definition, if a body it covers unequal distances, in a equal interval of time. Time same irutte, ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿಲೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗೋದು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಇನ್ ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ವೆಲಾಸಿಟಿ ಇಟ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ equal displacement, but in the non-uniform velocity it does not cover equal distances. And also we call it as a variable velocity. Variations in velocity means change in direction. That's it. Clear? Next we go to this is up to the velocity part. So now we have to introduce a speed. This is speed anta andre java anta heltivi kannadalli, java idana. So in this speed in the universe and in our nature, day to day we will see, ದಿನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಅನುಭವಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. So when you come to the college, by through walk, by through bike, by through bus, so many incidents you have experienced in a daily life about this speed. So some vehicles are moving through a high speed, means your bicycle is a small speed, and compared to the bike that is a high speed, and compared to the car is a high speed, and compared to the aeroplane that is a high speed, and compared to the rocket is a high speed. So that is a speed. We have to take just the meaning of speed. So in your vehicle, in your bike or in your scooty, the speedometer is there, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 120. That is the speedometer. So now we have to define what is actual meaning of speed. That is speed of a body. When we say the speed of a body, that is the speed of a body is defined as when a body it covers a distance per unit time, means distance traveled by a body to the per unit time is known as speed of a body, or distance per unit time. Simply, distance traveled by a body per unit time is called as the speed of a body. So now speed. So now ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತೀನಿ. So speed, the distance covered by a body per unit time. Distance covered or distance traveled by a body per unit time or in time taken is known as the speed of a body. So this is you already know in a previous class, in a 8th standard. Okay. So the SI. So we will come the SI unit of speed. That is the SI unit of the speed is what? It is also meter per second. The velocity, the SI unit of velocity, as well as same as the speed of a SI unit of a speed. It is a meter per second. This is also asked in the exam section. So now the dimension. So dimensional formula. What? The dimensional formula of speed is lt minus 1. lt minus 1. M is 0. L is 1. T is a minus 1. So now tell me, either speed is a scalar or vector quantity. Yes, dear students, the speed is a scalar quantity. This is only a magnitude. Only that magnitude. How many distance we cover? 10 meter, 20 meter, so on. 1 kilometer, 10 kilometer, 500 kilometer. It is the speed is told about only magnitude. That is I have to tell about the speed is a scalar quantity, not vector. Velocity is a vector quantity. Got it? Okay. So now next is have to go through a uniform speed. What? Uniform speed and non-uniform speed. The name it indicates uniform means a constant somewhere about speed. So uniform speed is nothing but a body is said to be a uniform when it covers, means its body, a particle covers equal distances in equal interval of time. A body, it covers equal distances, means some equals. Per second, it covers 10 meters. Another 1 second, it covers 10 meters. So on. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನಾವು, ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬಸ್, ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಬಸ್ means a driver side they will write in a red mark 60 km per hour. So bus ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ 60 km per ಗಂಟೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. So means that bus covers per hour is a distance about 60 kilometers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 60 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ದಂಗೆ ಚಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ. So that type of speed is a uniform speed. So clear? Got this? So next is a non-uniform speed. Non-uniform means not uniform, means variable speed. So non-uniform speed means the body is said to be non-uniform speed when it does not covers equal distances in a equal interval of time, or if it covers unequal distances in equal interval of time is called as a non-uniform speed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಬಾಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ we'll call it as non-uniform speed. So got this point? Yes. Now the main concept up to this we discussed about speed, uniform speed, non-uniform speed. The main thing that is a average speed. What? Yes, friends, it is a average speed. So earlier we discussed about the average velocity. So but this is a average speed. So what it indicates? So I already mentioned the meaning of average. Sarasari anta heltivi. So now the average speed of a body is defined as the rate of total distance covered. The rate of total distance covered by a body in total time covered. This is we know it as average speed. Yes, students, average speed of a body is defined as the rate of total distance. The rate of total distance covered or traveled. The rate of total distance covered by a body in total time taken. And it is known as the average speed of a body. So now we have to describe a formula. S average. S means a speed. S average equal to, that is total distance. Total distance divided by total time taken by a body. Total time taken. This is we call it as a average speed of a body. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ವಸ್ತು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಒಂದು ವಾಹನ ಎವರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಎ ಬಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ 60 km per hour means per hour, starting first hour it covers a 60 km and another 70 kilometers it covers in a 1 hour, means total the calculate the average speed of a body, means one object, means example. So first 1 hour it covers a distance of 60 kilometers and another 1 hour it covers a distance of 70 kilometers. And what is the average speed of a bus? This is, we have to calculate a total distance covered. ಎಷ್ಟು kilometers ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ total from first 1 hour and total another 1 hour and divided by total time taken. So what it is? It is total distance what? 60 plus 70 130 and divided by 1 plus 1 2 hour, this is kilometer, this is hour, and we got a solution. And divided by 130 by 2, 2 is a 2 6 by 12, 1 is remaining 2 5. Total 65 kilometer per hour, means the average speed is a 65 kilometer per hour. So ಆ ಬಸ್ಸಿನ ಒಂದು average speed ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? ಪ್ರತಿ ಗಂಟೆಗೆ 65 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ವೇಗದಲ್ಲಿ